Hello everybody, it's episode 51. I said I was going to be done, but screw it, I needed my self-esteem boosted again. So we're going to do, we're going to do an Azazel run, hopefully a good one. The items are semi-decent to start with, not the game, flippin' kid. So yeah, my last 3 runs have been absolute garbage. I cannot hit this guy to save his life. I want my item room first. They've just been garbage. I can't win with another character to save my life. I'm gonna use a bomb. Those are not what I want. But a luck up I will take. It's like the game says you're playing a Azazel maybe. Wow. Okay, go ahead. Since we already have Secret Hearts as is, we might as well. Poison Touch. Okay, whatever. We'll start with that. Since we start off with, well, you can't drop Poison Touch now. Kinda wish I would've came in here. Speed down. Awesome. Sometimes you just gotta quit the game and come back in it, because I think the troll engine just gets really shitty sometimes. I missed! Fuck you! Oh my god! My speed is atrocious now. Speed up would be nice, game. I'm gonna die. Nah, we're gonna restart this. That was a shitty start too. What's this? HP up and you feel protected. Screw it. Whatever, we'll go with that. Sometimes you just gotta do a couple restarts to make yourself know that you're gonna do semi-decent. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah, I took damage. Got too greedy with the attack. Sure, whatever. Next floor. And right now, all I'm trying to do is unlock the chest as well. So with that, I'll unlock a lot more. Perfect. That room could have went better or worse. You know, we're gonna find our item room first. Oh yeah, I must have a curse, because I can't see my health. I should have at least 2 regular hearts and no bombs. Which is too bad. Bombs? Yeah. Sure. 2 soul hearts. Sure, why not? This is already going spectacularly better. That's not so good. Yes, all stats up. Does it still give you the slowing as before? I don't think it does. In fact, I feel a little faster. God damn it. I do not have the coins to go into the shop. After the boss. Now this is a regular monster for once, instead of a champion one. Quit jumping around, you asshole. And of course damage. Seriously. Dick. Let me get in here and hit you. Jesus, Joe's good. Damage ranger. Okay. Puberty. Oh, yeah, let's take the luck down that we already know about. Tokens. Great. I don't even remember what the card is. It's probably the Fool, because I think that's what Azazel starts with. Let's move on with life, because we can't even get back in there. Ugh. We did walk out with a shite ton of everything. Okay, that's enough out of you. I should go into the shop just to donate, though. Because the chance that a candle or something would make the Family Man challenge a little easier. Oh, that was last week. Okay, I don't know where the hell I am. This room is okay with the Azazel because I can actually get up and attack things right away. It's nice. Next. Next. Ah! So much anger! Get out of the way. Sure, Guppy's paw. In fact, yes. Look up. Don't care about it. Don't do anything horrible for me anyway. Even if you do become skeletons, you still get me. Just kills you out too fast. Shielding tears would be awesome. You hear that game? Give me shielding tears. Or that's cool. I have no idea where I've been. Troll bomb I can't get away from. Yeah, let's let our charge go. Fuck. God damn! Oh, we can get to the shop now, too. Should do something. Definitely can do something. Ah! Wow, okay. Shop? Yes. Cheap Bible. Is it worth it? Not really. Why did I pick that up? Somebody explain to me why I did what I just did. Paw is much better at this point in the game. And our item room. Bob's brain. Screw you, game. Especially in a game where I'm already short-ranged. Fuck, right? Are you wizard? Does not affect me. Missed. Damage could be better, but it's doing pretty decent right now. Can't really complain. Stats up. What I'm looking for. Brother Bobby, not so much. Screw you. I'm out. I haven't seen Goathead in a long time. I wonder if they nerfed that down. That's a shit room. I really don't think we needed to add spiders-only rooms for that. I really don't. I think it was fine the way it was, with a chance of everything. I don't think people were absolutely breaking the game for that. We tried with judgments. Yeah, it's 6 minutes in. Flusher. Not great. Another spacebar item. Turns all enemies into poop. Not one thing you want to deal with. Okay, guys. One. Two. Ah, fuck you. And you. Money for it. I know I shouldn't say just that, just to skip it since I have the keys, but I don't have the money for it. I already did my item room. And my cursor. Mini husk, which means it has no health. Hey, we've unlocked something cute in the depths. Not that I needed to speed up anymore, but let's keep going. I think that was the last boss I needed for the depths to unlock that one. That's right. Take it. Wow, I'm way too fast for my own good right now. I feel like my range has gotten a little better, but maybe I'm just used to it. Oh no, maybe it did get better because I got that whole stats up. Mushroom. Wow, I barely did enough to kill him. Okay, let's just circle around. That's fine. I'll take an extra key. Why not? Hate these guys. I should kill them. Technically, they're not supposed to be out there. Great. Might as well attack then. They are slightly invincible when you first get into it. That is BS, because I am not. Can't do anything with you. Fuck. Gamon's really being a dick about a lot of this shit. Yep, we're on the Curse of the Labyrinth. So we'll get 2 item rooms, though, at least. Yes, depths. That's why I'm having trouble finding anything. Get out of here! Get the fuck out! Somehow missed you. You're gonna be skeletons. I'm just gonna keep the beam of death on you until... Yeah, these guys are invincible for the first couple seconds till they start moving. Which is too bad. Because that's one of the cool things about this game, is that you're able to completely cache wipe an entire room. Somebody playing Warframe. I don't know what game that is. Never played it myself. Dead. I'll just stay over the rocks. Nope. Let's see. Anything good? Possibility of something. Oh yeah, bitches. Be picking that up for damage yet? Mini brimstone as is. Come on, guys. The moment I get close to you is not the point when you're supposed to jump. Mini brimstone was that damage up very good. Got a couple damages on now, so we can't be too salty. Where am I at? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good on that level. Still need to find my rooms. There's my curse room. Wouldn't mind being guppy. Enough. Yeah, bitches. Not so, yeah, bitches. You know, I'm gonna clear this room. Bob's Rotten Head. Nah. Okay, what way haven't... Are you kidding me? None of the item slash anything rooms were over there? Items or shops or anything was on that side of the map. It's a complete waste of time. Which means I'm probably not going to make my time. I finally saw a tinted rock here. Yes. Way better than Guppy. Well, perfume, I'll take a fear. And toxic mushroom. I think that's also a damage up. That That is just one of those things that you just want to see every time you enter. That fly should hit me. It didn't. I am very thankful. Okay. Ah! Then you take that. You get that for your death. That's what you get. You jerk. Yeah, I kind of thought I was taking damage there. It's hard to escape these guys. They really love to put the worst possible enemies. Very good. Should not have taken damage there. Halo, yes. Even more horribleness to deal with. Boss rush. How much time I got left? I got plenty of time. Let's go check it. Little Brim? Sure. I'm sure we'll take Little Brim as well. Let's do the boss rush. Let's not do the boss rush. That all sucks. I'll only do it if I need to on Azazel. He's already done it on hard mode, so I don't care. I mean, it would have went fast. We would have destroyed him. But unnecessary at this point. Yeah, why not? I'll take you. So many items in the game. Yeah, I knew I was running into one of those. I'm moving way too damn fast. And I always hit one of these assholes. Come into this room, it always happens. I should just use that for everything. I've been that way. Of course I took the wrong way the first way. Why wouldn't I? It's always that way. Ah! It's kind of nice. Little Brim is kind of nice. That was a dead end, and so is this. Very dead. Everything's very, very dead. Nah, that one's not worth it. That room was only good because I was fast. Control bomb. Bunch of money. And unless you got money equals power, not really worth it. Sure. That was close. Ridiculous. Tammy's head is just amazing. Wish they would bring back the Krampus though. Why do I need money, game? I thought you needed money. Is that guppy? I don't think that is. I will pick that up. Pick up the mark. And let's move on. Pick that up and the mark for some more damage. More soul hearts. Okay, we won't be able to get into there. Donation machine. Okay, I'm gonna blow you up first. Tears down. Great. Wow. Okay, I am Guppy. Because I have flies like for days. So I'm definitely Guppy because of all the flies like that. Nice. This is pretty much done. We should be able to kill Isaac without me. Yep, we're gonna just keep taking this. Feel like it. Oh, you can't touch those. Good to know. Flies, do my dirty work. Alright, dead end, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Wow, this game can be just a douche sometimes. Yeep, yeep. Done. You know, at this point, matter, right? So might as well take the thing that's fun. Ah! You dicks. What's I say? I didn't kill it? Alright, to the cathedral. Because we still need to beat Isaac a number of times. I don't know how many times I gotta kill Isaac. That was stupid of me. Why did I do that? Oh, well, whatever. Want to show off how powerful I was? My flies? I guess. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be like, look how powerful I am. I don't have to worry about crap, because I'm Azazel, and everything's easy. It's always easy for Azazel. I'm already guppy. I don't know why I'm going in. Yeah, sure. Don't get hit. I don't need to go into the curse rooms. Well, they can give me other items, so I might as well check them out. Okay. And they can give me soul hearts. Or they can give me absolute crap. I'll use that one anyway. Oh, shit. My bad. Here's the boss. I don't think we should full clear this. Oh, there's a tinted rock, though. I barely missed it. That will make this fight a little better. Alright, Isaac. You and I had a lot of trouble this last time. And we won. And another Azazel Isaac kill. We've seen that before. Let's see. Azazel's already killed him on there, so I don't know how many times you have to kill him to unlock the chest. I think it's the same as you have to do for the dark room. Well, this is Tyrolan sign off. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.